Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best snow cone maker is probably one of the most exciting additions to any summer gathering, transforming simple ice into a delightful, frozen treat that brings smiles to faces of all ages. Imagine the joy of crafting your own custom snow cones right in your kitchen, choosing from an endless array of flavors and syrups to create the perfect icy concoction. This machine isn't just about making snow cones, it's about creating memories, fostering creativity, and providing a refreshing escape from the heat, making it a fantastic investment for family fun and parties. Number 5. MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. Introducing the MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. It's your perfect companion for creating refreshing treats all summer long. This premium ice crusher transforms regular ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice. It also comes with trays to freeze perfect ice blocks for all your favorite drinks. Equipped with high-quality 18/8 stainless steel blades, it ensures rust-free and efficient ice shaving. The precision-cut blades work faster and last longer. Enjoy shaved ice and snow cones even outdoors without electricity. Its portable manual hand crank design makes it incredibly easy to use and carry. Designed for convenience, it's easy to operate, clean, and store. Get ready for endless fun with slushies, margaritas, and more. The included flexible silicone ice cube tray makes 15 perfect-sized ice blocks. Releasing them is as simple as a push or a twist, ideal for any occasion. What we like. This machine offers premium portable ice crushing with durable stainless steel blades. It's easy to use manually, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings or when electricity isn't available. If you're looking for a versatile and portable option for fun drinks anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. This ice shaver efficiently shaves ice in perfect soft fluffy texture. Best of all, it's mechanical, no electricity need, which also means it is quiet. It has 3 blades that make quick work of the shaving. This is a really fun and safe way for littles to help make a cool, summer treat. Adult supervision still required, but there are no blatantly open blades, the device is fairly quiet, and children can easily shave the ice. No electricity needed, so it can be taken on camping trips, to the lake, etc. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Assortment. Bring the taste of the tropics to your home with our Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Assortment. It's the perfect way to create delicious, icy treats. This assortment includes 6 of our most popular flavors. You'll find something for everyone to enjoy. Enjoy the timeless sweetness of cherry and the bold fruitiness of grape. These are perfect for a classic shaved ice experience. Dive into the vibrant taste of blue raspberry or escape with the creamy, tropical notes of pina colada. They offer a refreshing burst of flavor. Experience the unique blend of tiger's blood, a fan favorite. Or, awaken your senses with the tangy zest of lemon lime. Each of these delightful flavors comes in a generous 16-ounce bottle. You'll have plenty of syrup to make countless refreshing treats. What we like. This assortment provides a wide variety of classic flavors to elevate your shaved ice experience. If you love experimenting with different tastes and want to offer a crowd-pleasing selection for parties, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's the perfect amount of flavor options. It's just like getting snow cones off the truck. The flavors are bold and delicious, with blue raspberry and pina colada stealing the show for their refreshing zing. The syrups work great with our shaved ice machine, and a little drizzle goes far, so the bottles last. Great flavors. Exactly the quality found at snow cone vendor trucks. They last a long time also. Great for parties. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy, snow-like ice right in your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. Set up your very own frozen dessert bar at home. This countertop machine is designed for easy use and cleaning, and it's portable for convenient storage. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, and ice molds. You can use any kind of ice you prefer. Each bottle of syrup can make about 8 snow cones, and the entire kit can produce up to 24 servings. You can adjust the flavor intensity to your liking. It's simple to operate and plugs into a standard outlet. Plus, the syrups are made with your well-being in mind, free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, and eggs. Beyond snow cones, these syrups add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Explore a variety of flavors to enhance almost any beverage or frozen treat. What we like. This electric machine makes creating powdery snow effortless, perfect for a home icy treat station. It comes with everything you need to get started, including allergy-friendly syrups. If you want a convenient, all-in-one solution for delicious frozen treats at home, this kit is ideal. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and produces finely shaved ice perfect for snow cones. It's compact and doesn't take up much counter space, which is great for smaller kitchens. The motor is surprisingly quiet during operation, unlike some other models I've tried. Number 2. Nostalgia Vintage Cotton Candy Maker, Pink. Bring the fun of the circus home with this vintage-inspired cotton candy maker. Its compact design fits perfectly on your countertop, ready for sweet treats anytime. Making fluffy cotton candy is a breeze. Just warm it up, add your favorite sugar, and watch it transform into a delightful confection in minutes. This machine comes with everything you need to get started, including reusable cones and a sugar scoop. It even disassembles easily for quick cleanup. Add a touch of sweetness to birthdays, family gatherings, or any celebration. It's sure to be a hit with kids and adults alike. Embrace the joy of simple pleasures with this fun and unique appliance. It's designed to bring smiles and create lasting memories for the whole family. Enjoy your favorite treat without the sugar. This maker is designed to work with both traditional flossing sugar and sugar-free options. What we like. This nostalgic machine brings the fun of cotton candy making right to your countertop. It's easy to use with various sugar types, making it perfect for parties and family weekends. If you're looking to add a sweet, classic treat to your celebrations or just want a fun activity for the kids, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It works well, heats up quickly, and is easy to use. The vintage design looks adorable and is perfect for parties or family fun. Heating element seems mostly covered by the spinning disc. It has a cover that helps the cotton to stay inside rather than flying all over the place. It comes with cones that are actually reusable. It comes with a spoon that holds 1 TBSP of sugar. Super easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. This nostalgia cotton candy maker is a fun addition to any party or family gathering. It's easy to use and works with both flossing sugar and hard candy. The cotton candy comes out light and fluffy in just minutes. I love the vintage, circus-inspired design. It looks adorable on the countertop. Cleanup is fairly simple thanks to the removable parts. Number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Variety Pack. Bring the authentic taste of the tropics right to your home or business. Our premium syrups offer a long-lasting flavor experience. Explore a world of taste with our variety pack, featuring 10 exciting and premium snow cone flavors. There's a perfect flavor for everyone. Crafted with premium ingredients, these syrups are designed to deliver an exceptional flavor. Enjoy the rich and vibrant taste in every serving. Whether it's a backyard party or a commercial establishment, these flavorings are ideal. They are sure to be a hit with all your guests. Each bottle contains 16 ounces of delicious syrup, ensuring you have plenty to share. Enjoy extended enjoyment with these generously sized bottles. Simply pour over your shaved ice for an instant flavor transformation. It's the easiest way to create delicious frozen treats. What we like. This variety pack offers an extensive selection of premium flavors for a truly customizable shaved ice experience. They are long-lasting and suitable for both home and business use. If you're serious about shaved ice and want a wide range of high-quality flavor options, this pack is a must-have. What people say. We used every flavor several times, and every one was delicious. The 18-year-old took over as the shave ice bartender, making the ice then pouring the flavors. Many people got mixtures, especially the little ones. The syrup flavors say they're made with artificial flavors, but honestly, they achieve a more natural flavoring taste. They don't have that overly sweet candy faux flavor to them but are more true to what you would expect it to be and very flavorful. Just a splash will go a long way without tasting watered down or weak. I don't remember the one we had as a kid having the feature available to make 2 different kinds of shaved ice. I think this might be an upgrade over time. The crunchy snow cone came out great and I can't wait for the ice mold to freeze so we can try a fluffy soft version. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.